Hey everyone, I was gifted this K18 leave-in hair mask. As you can see, it is next level amazing. So girlies that have like finer, limper hair, I've tried hair masks thinking they're going to help because my hair is also dry at the same time. They do not work. They are too heavy. I also struggle a lot with conditioner because it is too heavy on my hair. As you can see, this is just the lightest conditioner. It makes my hair so shiny. So I am going to show you how to use this. It's so easy that I am absolutely loving it. I'm telling you, fine, limp hair girlies, this is for you. Okay, this is super easy to use. The directions are on the side of the box. You are going to use one pump on towel dried hair that does not have conditioner from the shower. So here you go. This is how much you get. I need only one pump for my length of hair. You are going to need more for longer hair. You just work it through and then you give it a good brush. You wait 4 minutes and then you just do your hair as you regularly would. So I'm going to put my product on and then dry my hair, and that's it. I did notice right away when I was styling my hair that it just felt lighter and it was not going to be as limp. There was no heavy residue to the product. Styling my hair as I do normally, and then, as I said at the beginning, pleasantly surprised at how shiny and how much volume I have. Check it out.